So I'm with Mama Profit right now, and so she sells on Amazon. You've been selling on Amazon for how many years now? 7, 8?
7.
Yeah, she does 2, 3, 4,000 a month. Depends how hard she's grinding. But anyways, I want to make this video because what happened? You got this book, what, returned back to you?
Yeah, they said it was damaged.
Yeah, so she sent it into Amazon FBA, and how much were you selling it for?
72. It could have gone a lot higher.
And you got this from where? Savers?
Yeah.
For what, $3?
Oh, I probably paid $3.50.
So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that could happen when you're selling books on Amazon, and then what to do if it gets damaged. But this is interesting, and I need your guys' help. So this is a beautiful book. I'll show you guys the title. You can look up the ISBN. What's this going for on Amazon right now?
Between 72 and 90 something.
Yeah, so it's going 70, 80 bucks, something like that. So what's interesting is show this book. So you sent this in perfect condition, right?
Yeah, but I had it wrapped up.
Yeah, so she had it wrapped up to protect it. But look at this thing. Open that up for the people right now. Like, how does this even happen? It's almost like a forklift. It's almost like a forklift just ran it over and damaged it. And you said that Amazon sent you like 11 bucks or something for it being damaged.
Oh, I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, so
wasn't much.
It was like 8 to 12 bucks you were saying before, but
yeah.
They did give her some money and then they sent it back to you, which is interesting. But I'm trying to figure out, how did this book get damaged? Like, the outside is perfectly fine, but it's like the inside of the book. It's almost like the book fell, opened up, and like someone like stomped it out or something.
It came back in the original wrapping that I had it in.
That's so interesting. So what do you do when you get books sent back to you that are damaged? Do you send them back? Are you going to send that back in again, or what are you going to do?
I'm going to give it to you.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to straighten out these pages. I doubt that I'll be able to, because it looked like an angry gorilla went psycho on this. But I'm going to sell it on eBay as acceptable. And the cool thing about eBay is you can take multiple pictures and stuff, and you can, disclose the issues, because this is a textbook that, was probably 150, 180 bucks for the students. And if someone could go on and get it for $40 used and beat up, I mean, maybe somebody will take that. So, if I get a book that's returned, the first thing that I'll do is I'll make sure that I get it sent back to me. I don't leave it in my inventory.
I don't either.
So what I mean is, if you send something to Amazon FBA and then a customer returns it, what Amazon will do is they'll put it back in your inventory. But sometimes Amazon will miss that the item is damaged. And what happens is you end up in this cycle of returns over and over and over again, because Amazon didn't catch that it was damaged. So I always have it shipped back to reassess. If it's really damaged, you can sell it on Facebook Marketplace. You can sell it on, Craigslist. I'd recommend Facebook Marketplace or eBay. So this happens. Sometimes Amazon will pay you out for damaging items. Other times they won't pay you out, right?
Right.
And they'll just ship it back to you, which is interesting. But this is just an example of what happens on Amazon.
Yeah, and I have another damaged one in there, so I'm waiting for that to come back to me. I've been waiting a long time, just like this one. So...
Wait, so when it comes back damaged, do they ship it back instantly, or sometimes it could take weeks or months?
It could take a few weeks. I've been waiting and waiting. It's been over a month and a half now. But sometimes they'll come back as a damaged book, and they're beautiful in my wrapping. They've never been damaged, and I can send them right back in.
Yeah, Amazon's such a big company. Sometimes there's miscommunications and whatnot.
But this is the first time I've ever had a damaged one come back damaged.
Really? Interesting.
In 7 years.
Yeah, so the way I look at it is, there's going to be a tiny percentage of your books that get lost. Here, I got a question for you. You know how you ship your Amazon packages out to Amazon? How many times do the boxes get lost? Have you ever had a box get lost?
Knock, knock, knock.
Because I think I might have only had one out of like hundreds, thousands of shipments.
No.
But the point I'm trying to make is, yeah, you might get a book damaged. Could have sold for 80 and they give you $8 or they give you nothing. Or you have a box of items that you ship out and, it gets lost or something. I mean, you just have to average that out over hundreds and thousands of units. And really, it's only, a couple pennies. It's part of business. Just like if you own a physical store, Mom. Like, if you owned like at Walmart, do you know Walmart has a certain percentage of money that they know people are going to steal? Because people go to Walmart and Target, they steal.
Right.
It's part of the business. There's going to be a certain percentage of people who steal from you, a certain percentage of people who refund, cancel orders, so on and so forth. So
yeah, and when I was new first selling, I was always worried about every book that went there, if it was going to get damaged and I was going to lose money. But I've come to the saying to myself, it's going to happen. It's a business.
Yep.
So I just let it go now. I don't get myself upset anymore and worked up.
Yeah, I remember you sometimes. You're a weirdo. It's so funny. I'm not going to buy this book. It's too profitable. They're going to just lose it. When you were new, you were so paranoid.
Right, but now I don't even worry. I just assume it's going to get lost or damaged, so I don't.
Yeah, but you very rarely get boxes. You've never had a box lost. You get a couple items damaged, but it's probably 1/10 of 1%.
Right. Right.
It's better than being a merchant fulfiller. Remember in the house when you had all your inventory in there and you had to ship out every individual.
That was a disaster.
Yeah. So with Amazon FBA, you send everything to the warehouse. When it sells, they pick it, pack it, ship it. They deal with customer service. You know, you don't have to answer questions from customers. Sometimes they'll send a message, but you could just literally hit no response needed.
But you know, this happens, and it's like in any business. People can steal. They can rip your books off. Anything can happen. So
it's a nice book, though.
It wasn't beautiful. I could have sent it as very good, but I did it as good, and then it gets damaged.
Yeah, it's a nice book. You said you just went to Savers too, right?
Yeah, but I didn't end up in there that long.
Yeah. What'd you do yesterday? Didn't you find some books yesterday?
Yeah, I did.
What's going on? What were you saying?
I did find a few yesterday. A couple good ones. I have one that's going for 100 and something.
Really?
I thought it was 72, but someone must have gone off the radar, and now.
Oh, someone sold out before you. Now the door's open to raise the price.
Yeah, they were a lot lower. They were lower.
Yeah.
So now everybody's doing it in the 150s. So I'm going to do it 149.
What'd you pay for that book?
Oh, around 350.
Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. Savers, I wonder if they're going to go higher, because right now they have it priced at $3.99 per book.
Yeah, well,
but if you get 5 books, 4 books, the 5th one's free, so it lowers it down to like $3 and change. I'm waiting, because out in Austin, Texas, when I went sourcing over there a couple of years ago, they had all their books up to $9-10 at Savers.
Yeah.
Curious if they're going to keep moving the prices up that high.
Yeah, I should probably show you the book that I'm going to be selling.
Yeah, you want to bring it out?
Yeah. I think I'm doing it at 1.
So I'm going to wait for her to bring out the book. But, you know, there's a lot of opportunities to sell books on Amazon. And books, they're easy to ship. They typically don't get damaged outside of this example. You know, you throw them all in the box. You don't really have to prep them. My mom, sometimes she'll wrap the books if it's really profitable. But they're easy to ship. Oh, is this the book right here?
Yeah, I think it was this one.
Oh, look at this. American Government Stories of a Nation for the AP course. That's clean. Yeah. Wow, that thing is like new.
I know.
That's beautiful. Now open up the front of the book. Sometimes they have like, wow, that thing is beautiful.
All brand new, so be careful.
You know, sometimes they have the, what is it called? The little scratch thing with the serial number.
No, there's none in here.
I'm not even kidding right now. This book is literally brand spanking new. You don't sell books as new, though, do you?
No, because sometimes they might ask you for an invoice, and I don't want to be one of them.
That is beautiful. Well, awesome. Well, get that shipped out. What is it? Why is it not in a box going to Amazon?
Oh, it goes in for Monday.
Yeah,
Monday it goes in. They don't do shipments over the weekend.
Well, if you guys want to follow Mama Profit, I'll put her Instagram down below. Trying to get her to post a little more over there. Oh, look, it has a little bit of an indent right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Not too bad. Yeah. But cool. Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing this information.
Yeah, my lovely book.
I
was so disappointed on this one because I was so excited.
I know. It happens. It's part of business. Well, keep up making that money. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out Mama Profit's Instagram. Smash that like button. And see you soon.